does a burger chain have to do with saving the sight of millions? It may sound like an odd comparison, but the genius of McDonald's, its incredible efficiency, standardization, and scale, was a spark that ignited a revolution in healthcare. This is the story of Aravind Eye Care System, a hospital network from Tamil Nadu that took inspiration from fast food to build one of the world's most effective and compassionate healthcare models. It began with one man's audacious vision to eliminate needless blindness regardless of a person's ability to pay. In 1976, Dr. V, a retired ophthalmologist, saw a problem of staggering scale. Millions in India were going blind from treatable conditions like cataracts simply because they couldn't afford or access care. After a visit to a McDonald's, he was struck by an idea. If they could standardize the process of making a burger, why couldn't they standardize the process of cataract surgery? He envisioned a system where high volume and extreme efficiency would drive down costs so dramatically that he would offer services for free to those who couldn't pay, subsidized by those who could. Starting with just 11 beds and his family's life savings, Dr. V created a model where compassion was the mission and efficiency was the engine. The Aravind model is a masterclass in operational excellence. They deconstructed the surgical process, creating a patient flow system where doctors, like skilled artisans on an assembly line, can perform an astonishing number of surgeries with world-class quality. Surgeons move between pre-prep operating tables, reducing downtime and maximizing their expertise. This radical efficiency, combined with manufacturing their own high-quality, low-quality intraocular lenses, allows Aravind to perform cataract surgery for a fraction of the cost in the West. The revenue from the 40% of patients who pay for the services completely subsidize the 60% who receive care for free. It's not a charity, it's a self-sustaining social enterprise that proves you can have both a mission and a margin. Today, Aravind performs over 400,000 surgeries in a year, restoring sight and dignity to millions, proving that the best business models are often the ones that serve humanity.